Why do 75% of pet owners say their animals bring them peace? Meet our dynamic duo, a charming cockatiel and a sweet Chihuahua. Together, they create a serene symphony of companionship. Watch as the cockatiel perches gently on the Chihuahua's back, their bond as natural as a soft melody. The Chihuahua, nestled on a cozy blanket, rests calmly, their trust and friendship evident in every moment. Notice the cockatiel's gentle chirps, like a soothing lullaby, filling the space with a peaceful rhythm. In this tender scene, we witness a beautiful example of harmony between different species, a reminder that love and friendship know no bounds. So take a deep breath and let the calmness wash over you, because sometimes the simplest moments of connection are the most extraordinary. Heartwarming bond cockatiel and Chihuahua's peaceful coexistence. Pure serenity.